Hello, this is ATXPowerSupplies.com, and I'm here to show you guys a new power supply that we put in stock today. It's a standard ATX power supply form factor, you know, the 6-inch width, 3.25 inch height with a 5.5 inch depth. But what's really cool and unique about this one is that it has all of the extra connectors that are found on some of the late model Compaq, Dell, and HP systems. We've got a 20 to 24 pin ATX connector, and we've got the rather new 8-pin EPS 12 volt connector. We've got a standard P4, which you're probably used to. Another fairly new one that we have on here is a PCIe or PCI Express. It's a 6-pin plug that's commonly found on the beefed up video cards. And then it has a lot of the standard connectors as well. You've got the traditional 4-pin Molex. It's got 3 of those on it. There's one floppy, and it has 5 of the SATA connectors. So this thing's got a lot of connectors on it, a lot of late model connectors on it, and the total reach of these wires is about 24 inches. So you should be able to reach anything in your system as well. Something else that's really cool about this power supply is that it's very cost effective. It's not up there close to $100 like you would see some of the other ones. Yet it is an 80+ efficiency, and it's a high name brand. I mean, look at here, we got manufacturer of this device is Sparkle Power. Model number is SPI460PFB2. It's got dual 12 volt rails on it. Extremely powerful. It's going to put plenty of power to any new video card that you have, or will serve as a great replacement in any Compaq, Dell, or HP systems, the desktop systems. Last thing that I find really cool about this power supply is the 120 millimeter fan. Not just because it has a 120 millimeter fan, but because it's mounted on the bottom. And this has been needed for a while. This fan is mounted on the bottom of the power supply so that it can pull air from the center of the computer rather than being mounted on the top like we've seen in the past. I mean, the ones that are mounted on top are no problem. You know, air can still get around it very easily, especially given the surface area, which takes up pretty much all of this side of the power supply. But it's really cool, and it's really thoughtful that they put the 120 millimeter fan on the bottom of the power supply. So this is it. 460 watt power supply, Sparkle model SPI460PFB2.